Hi, I'm Akshat and you're watching Something's Brewing. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the Moka Pot. The Moka Pot, also known as the humble stovetop, is one of the most beloved coffee brewers, and it is a staple in Italian households. The Moka Pot can make cafe-style coffee at home without the need of fancy equipments or expensive equipments or any complicated techniques. This little brewer right here just sits on top of your stove and makes bold and rich espresso-style coffee. Let's get to know the Moka Pot and what all it has. The Moka Pot basically has three components: the bottom chamber where the water sits, the basket where you put in the coffee, and the top chamber where your extraction comes out. It extracts coffee using steam pressure method, similar to a pressure cooker. When you put it on top of a stove, the water creates pressure using steam and your coffee extracts on the top chamber. Let's get to brewing and let's know more. We'll start with opening up the brewer. The first step would be to fill in the bottom chamber with water. You can use hot water as that helps you to quick up your brew. You can use pre-ground coffee or you can grind your coffee fresh. If you grind your coffee fresh, you can use something similar to the AeroPress grind size. You don't need to measure out your coffee beans, you just need to fill it up to the chamber. You don't need to tamp it, you just need to level it. And you just need to put it on the stove. Lift it up as you see it sputter. And if you don't lift it up while you see it sputter, you might end up over extracting your coffee. Have it straight if you like your coffee rich and bold or something like espresso. You can add some water to it if you like something like an Americano, and you can add milk if you like something like a latte. The Moka Pot is a perfect brewer for someone who likes rich, full-bodied and bold cups of coffee. Whether you like your coffee black or you're someone who likes cafe-style drinks and wants to experiment with their coffees, this one right here is for you. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe, and if you want to dive deep into other brewers like the V60, French press and the AeroPress, we have a dedicated video for each one of those. Thank you for watching. Until next time.